Now, Arvind Kejriwal continues to remain behind bars in the alleged Delhi excise scam. However, in the past few days, several Aam Aadmi Party leaders met with the Delhi Chief Minister, who is currently lodged at Tihar. After Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann met with Kejriwal and raised concerns over the treatment that he was meted out with, now Sanjay Singh has spoken out over the same. Reiterating unfair treatment to Arvind Kejriwal, Sanjay Singh has said that Kejriwal has a clear message to the people, and I quote, "My name is Arvind Kejriwal and I'm not a terrorist," unquote. Sanjay Singh also said that anyone who wants to meet Kejriwal has to meet him behind a glass wall.
अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने देश की जनता के लिए, दिल्ली की जनता के लिए, उस जनता के लिए एक संदेश भेजा है कि मेरा नाम अरविंद केजरीवाल है और मैं आतंकवादी नहीं हूं। प्रधानमंत्री जी ने इस कार्रवाई से जाहिर कर दिया गया है कि उनके मन में पूरी तरीके से एक नफरत, दुर्भावना और बदले की भावना अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के प्रति भरी हुई है।
My colleague Isha is joining us with more on this. Isha, a rather filmy message by the Delhi Chief Minister, who's lodged at Tihar jail, taking it from, of course, a Shah Rukh Khan movie. But, Aam Aadmi Party really sending out a message that Arvind Kejriwal is not being treated fairly, he's not being treated properly inside jail. What more details do we have on this?
Yes, Shreya. In fact, you've made a very interesting parallel. This is a dialogue from a film. In fact, the opposition parties countering the Aam Aadmi Party have time and again slammed the Aam Aadmi Party for overly dramatizing their own scene. So this may be one of those instances as well where Arvind Kejriwal is stating that he is not a terrorist. However, nobody has ever called him a terrorist. There are no mentions of of him being a terrorist. There are no UAPA charges. None of that is there. So it may be stated that this is an extreme dramatization of the event. But speaking of what Sanjay Singh stated, he stated that Arvind Kejriwal remains to be the chief minister. He will remain strong and defiant, and he will counter the hate that the BJP has for him. And it is also very interesting to know that the star campaigner list has Arvind Kejriwal's name on the top. And this comes right after the Supreme Court refused any relief to the Delhi Chief Minister, and his name is on the star campaigners list. In fact, his wife's name is also there. All the jailed leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party's names are all present there in the list. But trouble seems to be mounting for the Aam Aadmi Party as the Supreme Court has not granted them any relief. But Sanjay Singh out there delivering a very fierce message from Arvind Kejriwal. Arvind Kejriwal has been complaining that there is a glass wall that he has to speak to his wife, and there is no clear communication that he's able to maintain. But again, there is no communication coming in from the jail authorities, but they have been stating that Arvind Kejriwal is being treated in a free and fair manner. In fact, previously also, there was a lot of back and forth about his weight. However, Tihar had stated that he has in fact gained weight and not lost weight.